I could feel it grow like a body of water.
तो 20 मिनट में हम यहाँ से मुरानो पहुँचेंगे। हमने वाटर टैक्सी ली है अपने होटल से। टेस्टी होटल। चाओ।
It was never under my control, you know.
देखें ये सारी यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट की बोट्स हैं जो कि ACTV है। तो डेली टिकट्स मिलती हैं इसकी। डेली चार्ज आई थिंक समवेयर अराउंड 10 यूरो है, जो कि हर स्टॉप पे होते हैं।
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. And getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
हॉस्पिटल है वो जो पीछे सायरन वाली, हमने जब बोर्ड देखी थी तो आई गेस वो पेशेंट्स को यहीं लेके आ रहे हैं। आई थिंक द फास्टेस्ट वे टू रीच ऑन दिस हॉस्पिटल इज बाय ऑलवेज ऑफ कोर्स टू दैट्स द ग्लास फैक्ट्री Vetro, but this is all Murano. Murano.
Edges of my soul.
Okay. See the glass factory.
Sir, buongiorno.
After a long trip, we have reached in one of the glass blowing factory in Murano, Italy. The man you are watching is 72 years old, and this is his family tradition. This is one of the family-owned real Murano glass factory where we are watching real glass making. As they say, there is no school or course where you can learn this. And the so-called oven where he is melting the glass has a temperature of up to 1400 degrees Celsius.
I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water.
यहाँ की हिस्ट्री कुछ ऐसी है कि सन 1300 ईस्वी में यूरोप में वेनिस के अलावा कोई और जगह पर ग्लास नहीं बनाते थे। उस समय में ग्लास ब्लोइंग एक सीक्रेट जॉब होती थी। अगर ग्लास ब्लोअर आइलैंड छोड़कर जाने की कोशिश भी करता तो उसको या तो जेल में डाल दिया जाता था या उसके हाथ काट दिए जाते थे। क्योंकि ग्लास ब्लोइंग एक हाई टेम्परेचर पर होती है, इसलिए इसको वेनिस से हटाकर एक सुनसान से आइलैंड मुरानो पर शिफ्ट कर दिया गया, जहाँ पर हम विजिट कर रहे हैं।
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while.
Amazing.
I make it.
First time trying everything I want.
Yeah.
It's cold, come on, it's not hot.
Bravo.
I did not.
Our parents.
Thank you, Vale.
like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Now you will see a short demonstration of beautiful and amazing horse made in just 5 minutes. It's a type of magic which he turned the glass into a beautiful art.
Oh yeah. Yes, ich habe gesehen, da ist er da.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. And getting harder,
Yo.
it was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. And getting harder, it was never under my control,
You can touch it if you want. No.
If you say something to try, I do it.
Okay. Would you like to see now our production?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have one of my colleagues.
Bravo.
See this.
All the details. It's incredible.
It's incredible. You are so nice.
It's really kind of you. Thank you.
Really kind of you. Thank you very much. सुनसान सिटी जहाँ आपको सिर्फ लोकल बंदे दिखेंगे. हाँ, स्कूल किड्स. Ah, came. You see. It's coming. It's coming.
No, not.
Now you see.
But why? You have to explain. Is it you or me?
You are not